The QDDQ Android 14 tablet kit boasts an impressive 11-inch IPS display that ensures vibrant colors and reduced eye strain, making it ideal for extended use. With a generous 12 gigabytes of RAM and 128 gigabytes of internal storage, expandable up to 1 terabyte, this tablet is perfect for media enthusiasts who need ample space for all their files. Powered by an octa-core processor and equipped with an 8,000 milliampere-hour battery, the tablet delivers exceptional performance and long-lasting entertainment on the go. The tablet supports both 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi bands, providing stable and fast internet connectivity for seamless streaming and browsing. The QDDQ Android 14 tablet kit includes a versatile 2-in-1 design with a detachable keyboard and a wireless mouse, transforming it into a functional laptop when needed. With its dual cameras, high-quality audio, and pre-installed Google Kids Space, this tablet is perfect for families, offering a safe and enjoyable experience for users of all ages.